beautiful family, this is Delphine. Yes, today we have these remote jobs. Yes, they are hiring worldwide. As you can see, they say there is no geographical restriction. You can work remotely from anywhere. The company is nodesk.com. Yes, you can apply to this position. Yes, okay. So I will link the link in the description box. You can click here, apply. You will see customer support specialist. They are hiring worldwide. Let's see the responsibility. You will clarify consumer complaint, determine the cause, select and explain the best solution, then follow up to make sure the issue is resolved. As you can see, respond to email tickets. This is the task. Online chats or phone calls to help. Simply texting customer with their issues. All right. Participate in writing excellent documentation, both internal user or customers. Log ticket with development team and escalate appropriately based on the impact of the issue. Let's say the qualification. English is primary language, but if you know another language, that's okay. And then you have at least 1 year of experience working with customers. You can translate technical issues for non-technical audience, demonstrate critical thinking, communication, create problem-solving skills, ability to learn new software platform quickly, and then self-starter, and then positive attitude, ability to continuously develop and adapt to growing team, highly organized. You can manage and prioritize several different projects, and then you have to have this familiarity chart and CRM platform. Okay, the bonus point, if you have bachelor degree, is preferred, and then 2 years in customer support role is a plus. The location is remote. You can work from anywhere. The office is in Miami. This is a full-time position with asset schedule during US business hours, unlimited flexible time off policy. This is a remote, and you can apply by clicking this link here. Website here is simply texting. This company is looking for employer every time. It means even if you find this video in the future, please save this video and know the company name. You can write even in your textbook. This company is always looking for customer support because they have their own software. Yeah, the next job we have today is from this company, Online Moderation. Yes, they are hiring as well, customer support moderator. You can work from anywhere around the globe. Yes, you can apply if you were willing to work on this responsibility. Work with other moderator to respond to variety client or customer questions. Monitor and ensure questions from customer are addressed within agreed time frame. All right, grow healthy and helpful team environment. Prioritize and create, integrate, and share necessary documentation for internal team member. Strive to achieve goals and preset SLA for clients. Become familiar with social media platform and administrative tools. Yes, the qualification. Minimum of years of experience, 2 to 5 is relevant. Social media skills, and then social studio, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and so many more. Go ahead and send your resume here on jobs@onlinemoderation.com. This is the job, customer support moderator. Hi guys, as always, I do like to share with you different jobs on this simplyhired.com. If you go here, chat job, chat support, let's say, and then search, okay, you will see that they have so many jobs today. There is this one, credential and support specialist. This job was posted 1 hour ago, and it's part-time, and you can work from anywhere as well. Okay, credential management, as you can see, these are the qualification: Microsoft Office, administrative experience, high school diploma, data entry, organization skills. The company is All Minds, so You can search more about this company or minds.com and know how you can apply and how you can structure the cover letter according to this company. All right, the next job that was posted today is this remote billing courier by Rengo. If you know this Korean, you can go ahead and apply. Continues and so many more. So there is another one here, customer support specialist, HR van. Yo, from this company, Higher Logic, okay, customer support specialist. The job was posted 8 hours ago, and as you can see, they pay up to 59K per year. All right, the benefits, as you can see, they have all the benefits, and then the qualification, customer support, service and customer support, and communication skills, and CSS HTML5. All right, so if you are familiar with all that, you can go ahead and apply. So the website is to go to simplyhire.com and search for this company. All right, Hire Logic, this is the company, or you can Google in your Google browse Hire Logic and see if you can apply with them. Another customer support coordinator you can apply is this one. This job was posted 2 hours ago, as you can see, 2 hours ago, and they pay up to 53K per year. The company is Lecturer Securing System. The company is Lecturer Securing System, customer specialist. As you can see, the qualification, live chat, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Outlook, customer service, high school diploma, math, and organizational skills, communication skills, and time management. If they identify all these qualifications, you have to make sure your CV have all these keywords. Keywords is everything in this, because most of the time is not a person who will read your resume. Computer will scan your resume. If they find all these keyword they are looking for, you will be selected. All right, so that is one thing that I want to show you. So guys, as you can see, they have so many jobs. You can go ahead and apply and pass through this simplyhire.com. They have so many jobs. As far as you can see, you can write here chat support, you can write data entry, remote, and make sure you filter here 24 hours ago. All right, so guys, these are the job that I had for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope to see you in the next one. Remember to share, like, and subscribe. Have a great time. Bye bye.